If you ate one banana every day for 2 weeks, you would start to experience improved energy levels, muscle function, and endurance. If you ate one avocado every day for 2 weeks, you would experience improved eye health, heart health, and a lower risk of cancer. If you ate one apple every day for 2 weeks, you would experience improved gut health, bone health, and metabolism. If you ate 1 cup of blueberries every day for 2 weeks, you would experience improved skin health, brain health, and blood pressure. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.